What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 30, that the path to success is often paved with loss and love. 12 years ago, Emma Hayes watched from the stands as the U.S. women's national team clinched. And Hayes is on the sidelines, roaring with triumph as the team she now leads wins gold in Paris. Her journey? A tapestry woven with love and loss. Just months before taking the helm, Hayes lost her father, Sid, who had always believed in her coaching prowess. His absence weighed heavily, but his spirit pushed her forward. Against all odds, Hayes transformed a struggling team into champions in just 81 days. She restored joy in the game, focusing on individual growth and team unity. Every victory, every challenge, she faced with resilience, drawing inspiration from beyond football. In the final moments after the win, Hayes kissed her father's necklace, a bittersweet tribute to the man who inspired her journey. Emma Hayes' story is a testament to the power of passion, perseverance. Her triumph is a beacon of hope for us all.